Finally, it's time to go 90 with the XC90, the one and only, the mighty king, Volvo's flagship SUV. And it's such a beauty to look at, even 10 years after it got launched. What a beauty. But I'm actually going to do a double 90 test over the coming weeks. This is round 1 with the XC90. And then in like 2 weeks time, I'm actually going to pick up a EX90 and have for 1 week. So over the next weeks, I'm going to have a lot of fun with the 90 range. I'm going to post a lot of videos here on my YouTube channel. So if you don't want to miss out on them, just subscribe to my YouTube channel to be alerted when I upload a new video. But as I said, this is round 1. Double 90. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Volvo Christian, and welcome to the XC90 MY25.5. Let's first take a closer look at what we got here. XC90 MY25.5. But what does that mean? Well, that means this is the late production of the model year 25. That's why we say MY25.5. And with that introduction, we got to see this heavily redesigned XC90, the latest facelift. This got revealed the 4th of September 2024, and I actually attended the world premiere in the home of Volvo, Gothenburg, Sweden, at Volvo's factory. I made a video about that, so if you haven't seen that, I'm just going to put it up here and link it down below with everything you need to know. And I actually got to pull off the covers of this XC90. Wicked moment for me personally, and a real highlight and a good memory for me to pull off the cover of the XC90 at the world premiere. Really, yeah, goosebumps. But that car in the studio were actually finished off in the same spec as this one. Bright Dusk metallic, bright exterior theme, and over the Cardamom upholstery. The car in the studio had the Cardamom Nordico upholstery, but this one has the Cardamom Nappa leather upholstery. Just a beautiful, beautiful spec. This bright dusk metallic, like this light champagne color, just a perfect match with this Cardamom upholstery. And as I said, this is finished off in the bright exterior theme. But what did we get with the facelift? Well, as you see here, we have a completely new front. We have a new iteration of the Thor's Hammer LEDs. Now they are like split, open up. We also have a new grille with chrome inserts. These lines going in here, pretty cool front. Chrome inserts in the lower bumper, completely new bumper, new decor, new Thor's Hammer LEDs. We have a new charging flap. And this is, as I said, the bright exterior theme. If you go for the dark exterior theme, then all of these inserts will be black. Same as this one, and also these chrome inserts here. But it's the same front, it's the same bumper, it's the same grille, just blackened out. But I have to say, I've seen them both live, and the bright are definitely my favorite in this round. It just looks so classy. I'm a huge fan of the bright exterior theme. But we also saw a darker tail lamp for the facelift. Darker tail lamp, completely new front, and we also have massive changes to the interior and also some under. This exact car have the air suspension, the optional air suspension, but if you go for the standard XC90 without air suspension, then you get also updated suspension with this frequency selected dampers, FSD. But this one has the air suspension. I'm also a huge fan of the air suspension, so it's fine by me. And the new XC90 or the facelift XC90 are also more quiet than before. But we're going to talk more about this in the upcoming videos. But again, if you haven't seen this video that I made at the launch, where I go through everything, where we go through everything on the new XC90. But this is just a quick presentation of the XC90 that I got here. This is a press car from Volvo Car Norway. Picked it up here at the Volvo Car Oslo at Fornebu. I'm going to have it for 10 days approximately. And I'm going to do a long ass road trip on Thursday. Really stoked for this XC90 test period. Let's just take a quick look at this magnificent upholstery. I have to say, hands down, this is the best upholstery that you can get in the new XC90. Cardamom upholstery. Either Nordico or this Nappa leather. And I have to say, since this is a XC90, we have some stuff that you can't get in the EX90. But either way, hands down, this is absolutely perfection. Beautiful cardamom, wood inlays, leather wrap dashboard with contrast stitching, black headlining, and this also has the upgraded Nordico, no not Nordico, Nubuck headlining. So Nubuck and leather wrapped grab handles, and also leather wrapped sun visor. Wrapped in leather, or maybe this is Nordico. Maybe they have used Nordico on this one. But either way, contrast stitching, it feels so goddamn good. And it's also weighted, just absolutely perfection. Everything you touch and feel from this start button. Oh, it's such an occasion to step inside the XC90. I'm gonna really enjoy my days with this XC90. Delicious seats, as I said, ventilated and also with massage. Yeah, Bowser Wilkins, not to forget Bowser Wilkins. Oh, crafted to perfection. But as you may see, we have some huge changes here. We have a new center display, 11.2 inches. New center console, heavily redesigned, 2+1 cup holders. New wireless charging, good storage room under here. Beautiful materials, fabric and wood, I have to say. Wonderful interior. I'm so glad that Volvo Car Norway decided to spec this press car out with this interior. This is like perfection. I would probably change the exterior to denim blue or mulberry red, but interior, top notch. Top notch. So that was it for this video. Just a quick presentation of the actual car and also a presentation of what's coming over the next weeks here on my YouTube channel. First off with the XC90 and then continuing over to the EX90 eventually. I'm really stoked for this 90 period. Really stoked. And actually on Thursday I'm heading out on a long road trip with this car. I just have 2 days left on work and then I have taken a leave of absence from my regular work. To go on a little Easter road trip with this XC90 heading south. So that's going to start Thursday morning actually. Super stoked for our XC90 road trip. Oh, this is going to be a lot of fun and I hope you will join me along the way through these videos here on my YouTube channel. But that was it for this time. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.